everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hey, I saw that. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest with me. I have Miss Ella, and she is going to be picking out my makeup for me today. So if you want to see the look that she comes up with, then just keep watching. Okay, so I need you to pick out a primer, a foundation, and then a concealer.
Okay.
That one, okay, perfect. Heart-shaped tape. I use that one a lot, don't I?
Yep.
Then a foundation. Oh yeah, that's my favorite one. All right, so you already picked them out without me even saying anything. It's okay. So she already picked out the bronzer and blush for me. So the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and the NYX blush. All right, now you're gonna pick out my highlighter. That one, okay, she picked the Physicians Formula Butter highlighter. I've actually only used this like once, so I'm excited to try it again.
Yeah, no.
All right, so now she's gonna pick my eyeshadows. And I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so I'm gonna let her go through, kind of look at some of the colors, and then she can kind of decide from there. All right, so these are the palettes she ended up choosing. She chose the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and then the Kylie Cosmetics Take Me on Vacation palette. So, what color should I use?
I don't know, a pink, a blue.
A pink and a blue?
Yeah.
Cool. They both have pinks and blues, so I should be able to create something. Okay, pick me out a brow product. Please be nice to me. Please be nice to me. Awesome. Okay, she picked out the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder. All right, so now you get to choose my lips, and we have a lot of lipsticks, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
So you can choose any of these. That's a mascara, that shouldn't be in there.
I know.
Or any of these. Or any of these.
There.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you. So these are the lipsticks she ended up choosing. She picked the NYX Pinup Pout. All right, well, I'm gonna jump on into the makeup. Looking in front of me, I see a lot of pink, which kind of worries me because pink is really hard to pull off, at least for me. I'm actually gonna try and make this look good because I actually have places to go after this. So hopefully this turns out semi-okay. So first I'm starting with the primer that she chose for me, and that was the NYX Angel Veil Primer. Yeah, I like this primer. It does the job. My skin is super dry today, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of hydration with the MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm gonna go in with the foundation she chose, and that was the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is one of my favorite foundations, so she did a good job there. I know that this one will work. So now I'm gonna go in with my brows, and for that she chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Duo, and she chose the shade Chocolate, which I believe is a little bit warm for me, but I'll make it work. So I'm gonna go in with the darker shade and just fill in my brows. Ooh, that's pretty dark. I usually am more of a fan of brow pencils, so this is a little bit different for me. I'm going in very, very lightly because this shade is pretty dark for me. All right, well there's my brows. They're a little bit darker than I usually like, but hopefully once I get the rest of my makeup on, everything will kind of come together. Next, I'm gonna go in with concealer, and she chose the Tarte Shape Tape, which is one of my go-to concealers, so that worked out great. I'm gonna apply it underneath the eyes and then also onto my lid a bit as well. Just gonna quickly set underneath my eyes so I don't get any creasing. I didn't ask her to grab me a setting powder because I only really use like one. So I'll just quickly set that. And I'll use that to set my eyelids as well. Then I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Take Me On Vacation palette. I actually really like this palette. As you can tell, it's really dirty and well loved, but I actually really enjoy this palette. I think the colors in here are really pretty and very wearable, but still have some like fun shades. So I'm gonna go in with this kind of peachy shade, and I'm just gonna apply that kind of all over the lid, focusing mostly into the crease, and then kind of using that as like a transition shade and blending it upwards. Please don't mind my broken finger. Please don't mind my broken nail. It's nail day tomorrow. Next, I'm gonna go in with a bit more of that like pinky shade right there. Then I'm gonna go back in with that peachy shade and use that just right above that kind of pinky shade to kind of help soften and blend it upwards. Now I'm gonna dip into that Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and I'm gonna go in very, very lightly with that hot pink shade. Now I'm gonna cut the crease using the Tarte Shape Tape. So how I like to get my quick and easy cut crease is I apply concealer right along my lash line, and then I look all the way up, and it gives me a little quick kind of guideline to where I should be cutting my crease. Now I'm gonna take this shimmery kind of champagne shade and use that on my lid. All right, so I finished my eyes and Ella finished her makeup. Pretty good. So now I'm gonna go in with mascara. Then Ella thinks I need to add some blue underneath my eyes. Yeah. So I'll do that right now. I'm going to take the blue. What blue should I use? The blue from here or the blue from there? She thinks I should use this blue. So I'm gonna take that with just a small definer brush and kind of use it as like an eyeliner, maybe?
Like my makeup, everyone? Give us a thumbs up if you do.
Give us a thumbs up if you like Ella's makeup. Do you like the blue?
Kinda.
Kinda.
Give a thumbs up if you like my makeup so far. How do you like my makeup? Give it a thumbs up. If you want. Do you like Mom's watch? Give it a thumbs up.
Oh,
What?
I love you.
It takes a long time to do your makeup.
Tell me about it. So next I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Smell it.
It smells like coconut.
Smells like a tropical vacation.
Coconut.
Smells like we should be on the beach in Mexico right now.
No. Too hot.
What? Whose child are you?
Yours. Okay, eeny, meeny, miny, do. Take a tiger, fly it, do. If it howl, let him go.
Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with this NYX blush in the shade Summer. It's what Ella has on her cheeks right now as well. It's kind of like a corally pink shade, and I'm just going to go and apply it to the apples of my cheeks.
At first, it was like a big circle on my cheeks. Mom, you're
Why does this smell like bubble gum?
Can I smell? Oh, it smells like bubble gum.
Alright. So I'm going to use my fingers and apply it.
It.
Hey, get your fingers out of there.
What? Smells good.
Ooh, that looks nice and gold and
Very
pretty.
Look, it's very golden.
And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just kind of dab that in a bit.
Does mine look winter?
Another good thing you can do with this is actually just dip your beauty sponge right in and then go in. That's what I like to do with like cream kind of product. Okay, now for Ella's most favorite part.
Lipstick.
We're going to go in with the lipstick. So, do you mind if I just use one of these?
Peachy.
I want to use this one. Or what if I did this one and this one and like blended them? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
So first I'm going to go in with the NYX Push Up Pout lipstick in Dance Party.
I think they're both the same.
And she's pretty bright.
I know. I used that one once and it was so pretty on my lips.
I'm going to take this lipstick in Opinionated and apply it to the center. Alright, well there is my finished look using products that Miss Ella chose for me. What do you think of my look?
Nice.
What do you like about it?
This and this and this.
You like everything?
No, just these and these.
My eyes and my lips. So overall, I think she did a pretty good job picking out my makeup. She definitely chose some things that I wouldn't normally choose on a day-to-day basis, but that's what's kind of fun about this, is to try new things. I actually really like the way the eyes turned out. I think that they are very nice and bright and colorful and fun for summer. The lips,
Not so much.
not so much. And then the face products, you literally chose everything I like for my face. So I think my face looks flawless. Even the brows turned out, even though they were a smidge dark. But yeah, good job, kiddo. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye, guys.